우와. 그러니까.
확실히 남자분들을 좋아하네.
그러네. 피커?
너무
괜찮아.
밥을 다 먹었어.
잘했어. 피코 오빠인데 밥 많이 줘도 안 돼. 오빠 학교 뒤지러 왔다.
그때 얘네 밥을 생각보다 지금 많이 안 먹었어.
저기 할아버지 오신다. 와.
Chase each other's dogs. Hey! I know. Up here, rain every like restaurant rain.
Yeah, thank you.
How many days you have? How many days in Hawaii or outside?
In this island.
Number one,
Here is just 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
So you leave Friday.
No, I leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, just 3 days.
Okay, okay. Where do you fly out from?
One or two.
피커?
Do you have a ride?
피커?
Transportation, yeah.
피코 깎아?
But with this tour, we will do a lot. You see a lot.
Thank you.
This river here called Umama.
우마우마. 우마마.
It's good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
구아바 투.
Yeah, they like that food. Yeah.
우와.
Every like 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes. That's gonna go in. I'm a crab. Here it comes. You ready?
예. 우와.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. Let's go with you first. Oh, the dog. Oh my god. I forgot about the dog. You go lower. Yeah. Yeah.
오. 와. 오. 피코. 이리 와.
Soft sand from the Oh. Higher now. no.